Welcome everyone. We're going to get back to the Bolt Grip Tongs project. We're picking up where we left off with mostly finished rein on one of the tong blanks, and yeah, they came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with them. Going to be very serviceable, and hope you enjoy watching. Go from the octagon to the round, and we're almost there. A couple inches to go. Have we elongated? We have elongated some, so we're almost to the 12-inch range, which I didn't take 4 inches for it. I accidentally took 3.5, so we don't necessarily need a 12-inch range. This is what happens when your wife gets battery acid on her Alex Steel shirt. You get it from her. All right.
pointy, huh?
Yep, came pretty good.
What are we gonna do?
Here's our tong blank where we left off. Let's see what we can do with this.
Okay, we're at a 1/2 by 3/8 there, a little over a 1/2, and a little thick there. We got to bring this section even, and then we'll be good. Wrong end. is our finished blank. And now the challenge is for me to duplicate that.
with the other plank. Keep in mind that we only use this much steel to make that. And we'll do the final jaw shaping when we're in here, but that doesn't look too bad to me. All right, thanks. Alright, so gonna be tired in the morning. I don't have to get up early, which is why I was out in the shop late this evening. But I really enjoyed myself, and I got going on these, and I really wanted to, I did the filming for finishing out the one half, and then I kind of got going and was making good progress on the other half, so I decided to keep going. These are Bolt Grip Tongs, my first set, and that bolt grip determines or means that there's room here for a head or a bend. They basically grab whatever stock you can grab round with them. I made them to grab, I have a lot of this 1/2-inch bar, so they're not bad. The bar's a little canted that way. That way is pretty nice, you know. And I might file into the jaws so that I can hold it like this, but I'm not sure yet. Yeah, anyway. My first pair, they're uneven. They're always uneven and imperfect. But this is probably the nicest pair of tongs I ever made. The most even. Yeah, and I'm really happy with them. So thank you guys for watching, for being encouraging, and that it really really means a lot to me when you comment, you give me the thumbs up and that, and let me know, give me some feedback about what you like. We are headed in a direction here. And I really want to get back to, I shouldn't make promises, but I really want to get back to the PVs, cant hooks, because I'm really about making tools. So I like to make tools related to tree work, or more tools to handle metal and do metal work. Anyway, thanks again. Be well.